Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says suspensor cell is formed by the division of dash cell. Option A antipodal, option B synergid, option C zygote, option D central cell. So the question says suspensor cell is formed by the division of dash cell. So which cell among these will give rise to suspensor cell? So first of all, what is suspensor cell? Suspensor cell. Now, this is the cell which will actually give rise to suspensor, a structure called as suspensor. This happens within the embryo sac, and this suspensor will attach the embryo to the embryo sac. Okay, it attaches the embryo, the developing embryo. We are talking about the embryo to the embryo sac. Now, as it is attaching, like it is still attached, and the embryo will be growing towards downside. Okay, downside, that is towards the chalazal region. Okay, so this embryo which is growing towards the chalazal region, so what happens that it will get hung inside the cavity where the endosperm is there, and the embryo is pushed near to the endosperm because of the suspensor. So it helps in taking up the nourishment by pushing it inside or near to the endosperm. So that is very important function of suspensor. Okay. And how is it formed? It forms by the division of the zygote itself. Yes, you heard me right. So zygote divides into two cells, and one of the cell forms the suspensor cell. Okay. The other cell is called as the embryonal cell. So this embryonal cell will be towards the chalazal side, whereas the suspensor will be towards the micropylar region side. Okay, so you can see that the zygote is the one which divides and gives rise to suspensor cell, and this embryonal cell is the one which is going to form the embryo. Okay, so that is what is happened in case of angiosperm. So this we are talking about in case of angiosperm. Okay, that is the flowering plant. Okay, so let us look at the option. Option A says antipodal. Antipodal, they don't divide to form suspensor cell, and these are again haploid cells which are formed by the division of the the megaspores. Okay, the functional megaspore, that is the one which will give rise to antipodal, synergids, egg, etc. Right? So antipodal does not play a role in the formation of suspensor cell. So it is ruled out. Option B says synergids. So synergids are the one which are present on either side of the egg. And even after fertilization, the zygote is formed and around zygote or on either side of the zygote, synergids will be present. But these don't participate in the formation of suspensor cell. Hence, it is ruled out. Now, zygote, yes, that is the one which divides into two, giving rise to suspensor cell and embryonal cell. So that should be the right answer. Option D says central cell. Central cell, no, because this is the one which will give rise to the endosperm. That is after it gets fused by the, or you can say after it gets fertilized by the male gamete. Okay, so that will give rise to the triploid endosperm. So option D is also ruled out. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, that is zygote. So let us conclude. The correct answer is option C, that is zygote. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.